In this video, we will show you how to disable comments on WordPress website. First, to disable comments on new posts, you can just click settings and select discussion in here. Then you can untick the allow people to submit comments on new posts. Then if you have newer posts, the comment section will not appear on your WordPress website. You can click Save Change. Now let's try to create new post in here. Then let test comment with new post. Okay, we can click publish here and we can see the post via incognito window. You can see there is no comment section in here because we adjust the settings before creating new posts. And in older posts like this, you can see there the comment section will appear. How to disable this comment section in the older posts? Just go to the post settings in here, click your all posts. You must do it manually. Just click on your post in here, click edit, or for the faster, you can just click quick edit like this and untick the other comments. Okay, you can click update. Now you can reload the page. Now your comment form will be hidden in here, and actually you can disable all comment form if you have theme that support it. So you can ask your theme author how to disable the comment form with the simplest way. That's all tutorial how to disable comments on WordPress website. Hope this video helpful for you.